Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we will talk about the lunchtime rule and the lunchtime fake zones. First of all, what is a lunchtime? We have a 1 hour time window before New York opens, and we call this time window as lunchtime. It lasts for an hour from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Budapest time. In this 1 hour, the volume is lower, it's usually lower, and price creates fake supply and demand zones. 99% of the time, these zones will be fake in this 1 hour time window. So this is really, really important. You will have to backtest this, and you will notice that every zone, not every, but 99% of the zones will be fake in this 1 hour time window. But you can actually use these fake zones to your advantage as a liquidity. Okay, let me show you an example. As you can see, price is moving in an uptrend here, reacted on a higher time frame supply zone. This was a 15-minute supply zone. We are on the 1-minute chart right now. So it reacted on a 15-minute supply zone, and the trend is bearish because it's creating a series of lower lows and lower highs on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 1-minute time frame, price stepped into this supply zone and changed character with this inefficient push, as you can see. This is all normal, right? This movement didn't happen in the lunchtime. The lunchtime started from, I will just mark it with the vertical line. Sorry. So yeah, lunchtime started from 1 p.m. and it lasts for, 2 p.m., which is this. So this time gap, time window is lunchtime zone. In this zone, all of these zones will be fake. So as you can see, price created this demand zone right here that changed character to the upside here, and created liquidity on the upside. So this could have been a really good confirmation because it created an efficient push, change of character here, and liquidity for the long runs. But as you can see, price broke to this demand zone immediately, didn't respect it, and broke below this demand zone. So this proves this demand zone was fake. This was the first demand zone that was formed in the lunchtime time window. As you can see, after price did a breakout structure to the downside with this movement, created this really clear supply zone that created inefficient push, breakout structure, liquidity strip from this region. So you could have opened a position on this zone, right? Price reacted on this zone, but after the reaction, it blew through this zone immediately. So this is our second phase zone. As you can see, we have this clear supply zone right here that created huge inefficient push to the downside with these 3 candles. As you can see, it changed character to the downside here. It also started the whole order flow that broke structure here. So this is a really valuable supply zone, but we have one problem with it. It was formed in the lunchtime time window. We can't open positions on this zone because it was formed 6 minutes before New York opens. And every zone in this 1 hour time window will be fake. Okay, so let's see what will happen. I will just play price forward. Actually, I want to mark out more zones. So as you can see, the original change of character happened from this region. So actually the first candle before the inefficient push is this one right here, because as you can see, these candles are inefficient and these are already mitigated. And the inefficiency came into the market from this candle. Also, this was a flip zone because price reacted on this demand zone right here. Small reaction, inefficiency came into the market. So this is our really valuable flip zone. Okay, I will just extend this zone. And we can use this zone or even this zone as liquidity for this zone. So as I said, this zone was formed in the lunchtime, right? 6 minutes before New York opens. So we can use this zone as liquidity, and this zone will be liquidity for this supply zone that changed the original character after the higher time frame supply time. And as you can see, we also have one more confirmation. 1, 2, 3, or 4 equal taps right here. And this is liquidity for the zone 2. Okay, so let's play price forward, and you will see that every zone inside of this 1 hour time window is fake. And we just play price forward. As you can see, price breaking structure to the downside here. Came up, almost mitigated the supply zone, the fake supply zone. So this is still the fake supply zone. I will just mark it with a fake text. I will just extend this zone. And in this scenario, if you'd like to, you can use this one, this upper zone, this extreme zone as your entry point. But you can also wait for confirmation entry on this one. But we are not talking about entry points right now. We are just talking about the fake zones. Okay, let's play price forward. As you can see, price almost tapped the zone. So reacting on that zone, not a tap yet. Okay, now tap the zone. We are inside of this zone and we just blew through this zone, as you can see. So let's see what happens next. Price reacts on the upper zone, as you can see. After a reaction, it reversed immediately. This could have been a really, really good entry point, as I said, but it doesn't matter right now. We just talk about the fake zones. Okay, let's take a look one more time at this zone. So as you can see, this zone was taken out by this movement. This zone was taken out by this movement. This zone was taken out by this movement. So every zone inside of this 1 hour time window was fake. Every zone inside of this 1 hour time window was taken out, mitigated, blew through. So every single one, even this wick right here, this wick right here was fake also. It was just a liquidity for the upper, not lunchtime zone, as you can see. So I won't show you any more examples because I want you to backtest this. I want you to search for every single New York session and look at the lunchtime zone, lunchtime 1 hour time window before every New York session. And you will notice that every single lunchtime zone is fake. Okay, take care, guys. Goodbye.